Hello guys, today we will see how to fix device queue not busy blue screen error in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and such type of a screen will appear on your screen. And the first workaround to resolve this issue is remove recently installed program. For this, go to Windows search, type control panel and open control panel in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here you will find the option programs and features. Click on it to open program and feature windows. Here find out the recently apps and programs which you installed and the problems of device queue not busy blue screen error starts. Simply find out and right click on it and choose the button uninstall. Confirm uninstallation. And the second workaround is update device driver. Right click on the start button, choose device manager, and here from the top menu bar click on action and choose scan for hardware changes. Here find out the driver which you have problem and right click on it and choose update driver. Thereafter choose search automatically and device driver will be updated. And the third workaround is apply SFC scan now. Any corrupted file system may be a cause of this error, so go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows as administrator mode. A prompt window will appear, choose yes, and in black screen window command prompt windows type sfc space slash scan now and press enter to execute the command. It will repair your corrupted file system. And the fourth workaround is run chkdsk utility. It will check your hard disk. Again go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt windows in administrator mode, and in black windows which appear you should type the command chkdsk space drive letter c dot space slash f. It will execute your disk check. And the fifth one is install Windows latest update. Go to start button, click on it, choose settings. From the top left menu choose Windows update, and from the right side you will find all the available Windows update. You should also check for updates now. That's all.